Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato with an ice cream maker. First, ensure your ice cream maker's bowl is completely frozen, typically requiring 12 to 24 hours in a freezer. Next, prepare your base by gently heating whole milk, heavy cream, and sugar until the sugar fully dissolves. Do not boil the mixture. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and stir in your chosen flavorings, like vanilla extract or cocoa powder. After chilling your gelato base for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, it's ready for the ice cream maker. The colder the base, the better the texture of your final gelato will be. This chilling step is crucial for achieving that smooth, dense consistency characteristic of authentic gelato. Make sure your frozen bowl is securely in place before pouring in the mixture. Now turn on your ice cream maker and slowly pour the chilled gelato base into the frozen bowl. Let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll notice the mixture thickening and expanding, transforming into a soft-serve consistency. The churning process incorporates air, creating that delightful, creamy texture. Avoid over-churning, as this can negatively impact the final product. Once your gelato has firmed up in the freezer, it's ready to enjoy. Scoop out generous portions and savor the rich, creamy flavor you created. For the best experience, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes before serving to achieve that perfect, slightly softer texture. Remember, homemade gelato is a delightful treat, and you can experiment with many different flavors. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.